Hi, and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to apply a Figma design to your Squarespace website, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you want to add your Figma design. Once there, click Edit to start customizing the page. Now, create a new section by clicking Add Section and select a blank section to give yourself a clean space to work with. Step 2. In your blank section, click Add Block and choose an embed block from the options. Step 3. Now switch over to your Figma project. Open the design you want to embed and make any final adjustments to ensure it's ready for use. Once satisfied, click Share in the top right corner of the Figma window and then select Get Embed Code. This will generate the code you need to embed your design. Click Copy to save the code to your clipboard. Step 4. Return to your Squarespace site. Click on the Embed block and then on Edit Code Snippet. Paste the Figma embed code directly into the block. After pasting, the embed block will update and your Figma design should appear. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.